Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Startup Central, and now to focus on the startup of the day, well, we're now joined by Priyanka Gill, who is the co-founder of the Good Glam Group and who had recently joined Kalaari Capital in January 2024, has stepped down from the Bengaluru-based venture capital fund as venture partner. She has now launched Coluxe, a lab-grown diamond brand and gemstone omni-channel brand. And of course, to talk more about the company, we're now joined by Ms. Gill herself. Thank you very much, Priyanka, for joining us. Tell us about this new company of yours and why have you chosen to venture into this space?
Hi, thank you so much for having me. It's super exciting to be here. I think it's very rare in an entrepreneur's life when you see a big shift happening in consumer behavior. And that's exactly what's happening in the fine jewelry sector right now. Lab-grown diamonds are totally revolutionizing how consumers are looking at buying jewelry. And I think it's a super exciting space to be in. Only 6% of gold owners in India own a diamond. That's the headroom that we have as an industry. And I think now is a time when a brand has to come and really say that this is the future of luxury, this is the future of fine jewelry. And with Coluxe, we hope to be that brand.
Absolutely, Priyanka. And, this comes in at a time when there are ongoing discussions about having a policy framework for lab-grown diamonds. So that makes it all the more interesting. But what is the tentative launch period that you finalize for this company? And what is the expansion strategy that you have for the company? Is it only going to be digital, or you plan to open retail outlets? How are you looking at distributing it?
It's an omni-channel market that we live in. And with Coluxe, of course, we're taking an omni-channel, almost an offline-first strategy to how we want to expand and build the brand. I think digital gives a real kind of good access to the consumer base. You're able to build a lot of share of voice. You can make a lot of noise online, educate, inspire, inform consumer bases about what's available. But ultimately, you have to kind of funnel them down, bring them to your stores. We are foreseeing that almost 60-70% of our sales will happen offline. So a really strong offline play, complemented really well with a very, very strong digital strategy, whose main aim will be to inspire, to educate, and to really kind of get consumers excited about what LGDs, lab-grown diamonds, have to offer them.
Absolutely, and the space is really buzzing given the kind of developments that we've seen in the space, Priyanka. But help us also understand, where do you plan to launch it first? You said that offline is going to be your key focus. So where do you plan to launch it? And, eventually, which all other cities will you be focusing your attention to? And what is the pricing strategy, the price range that you're going to keep for the company and its products?
I think I'm a Delhi girl. North India is what I know. I'm actually a Punjab girl if I go really far back. Delhi definitely is going to be the first store. So the flagship store is going to open here. And then we're looking at we go across the country, looking at the main metros. You look at Bombay, you look at Bangalore. The first 3 stores are going to happen in those locations. And the pricing strategy, as you ask, this is an affordable luxury item that we're basically making, right? And it's actually the accessible price point that makes it so interesting to so many of our consumers. And the best part is it is visually, molecularly identical to what a mined diamond looks like. But where a mined diamond comes with certain kind of environmental damage that it causes when you mine the diamond itself, there are certain human costs involved in mining the literal diamond. A lab-grown diamond doesn't have those things. So it's good for you, it's good for people, it's good for planet. And you look equally good wearing it. So I think it's a really strong user proposition. And that's why I really feel that we're going to see a mass consumer shift happening towards moving away from mined diamonds and
Priyanka,
towards lab-grown diamonds.
Priyanka, let me ask that question once again, since you said that it's going to be an affordable product offering, but what is the price range you're looking at? I'm sure people who are watching right now would be deeply interested, as am I.
So look, the average order value that we are predicting right now is anywhere between 20 to 25,000 rupees, right? So it's completely and utterly affordable. So if you're looking at like a single carat that you're buying today, even today, a 1 carat diamond is coming for anywhere between 20 to 25,000 rupees, right? A lab-grown diamond, which is really, really affordable as far as like diamond prices generally are concerned. So I think all our consumers out there who've been kind of literally waiting outside the store saying, hey, when will I be able to afford a diamond? I think the time has come now. And we are going to be really excited to be giving really cool, cutting edge, contemporary designs for those who want them, traditional designs for those who want them, and really give this kind of asset class out to the consumer base that's been wanting to buy diamonds for a very long time.
Absolutely, Priyanka. And we can't wait to see what the product has and, in fact, the designs that you will unveil. So good luck to you on that, on your new company. We wish you the very best. And ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's completely time's up on Startup Central. Hope you like the show as much as we did putting it together for you. Do join us tomorrow at 6 p.m. for a fresh and new episode of Startup Central. Goodbye and thanks very much for staying with us.